Passing through New York. Jeez, look at all this. Whoa.
In 1,000 feet, bear right to stay on Interstate 95 North, US 1 North.
You're right again. It says 95 North. Why is it saying right lane? If this is saying 95's in the middle lane. Oh wait, we have to go to 87. Uh-oh. Train places with me cars. They don't want to let me in. Had to squeeze in. There we go. I don't know why it's saying 95, but this is saying 87.
In 1,000 feet, take exit.
Yankee Stadium, exit 1D. Yeah, the bridge over there. Truck is stuck there.
Now take exit 1CD, ID on
they
the
hit
right.
that car. Oh, man. That's what happened, I think.
In 500 feet, take exit 1C.
Going under the bridge. Going towards Albany now. But we're passing through to Connecticut.